Alrighty folks, now that again that order's cord above your head there is for medical emergencies only. Here you pull the cord, the engineer will stop the train, paramedics and security will be dispatched and will be on hold for a very long time. So please don't pull that cord unless you have an actual medical emergency. Up there on the platform, that is my fellow partner, Conductor Zeke, waving us out. Everybody wave and say bye, Zeke.
Bye, Zeke.
Whatever you do, please don't get me and Zeke confused this year. We do kind of look like twins. But with any luck, we'll see him here in the next 15 to 20 minutes, though it has been known to take up to 2 to 3 weeks. That is, of course, unless you really want that ride home to be unbearable. Alright folks, coming up ahead to your left-hand side here, you're going to see a green 2-story building. That there, folks, is the famous Silver Dollar City Saloon, home to some of the longest and prettiest lakes here in the Ozarks, and folks, that is just on the bar stools. So you can belly on over there and get yourself a good old-fashioned root beer float and enjoy yourself a good old-fashioned saloon show while you're at it. They run up to 5 shows a day there at the Silver Dollar City Saloon, and I tell you, it's well worth the watching. Now folks, up ahead to your right-hand side is going to be Farmer Wilson's Barn Swing. Farmer Wilson came to town several years ago and built himself a big old barn swing there that takes you over 60 feet in the air and drops you through the barn at nearly 50 miles an hour. So it is safe to say there ain't no chickens in that barn anymore, unless you count me in the barn there this morning, of which then there was one big chicken. That right there, folks, I did just get word back in the depot about those 2 notorious outlaws, Alfie and Ralphie Boland. Yep, it seems like they busted out of jail again and have been seen headed our way, so y'all say, oh no! Y'all can do me a favor now. I need y'all to keep your eyes open, your fingers crossed, and if you got gold and silver for teeth, that's right, folks. Even Ichabod is proud to have military and veterans on board his train today. Thank you all again for your service. Alright, folks, now I'd like to welcome you all into Pottersville, Missouri. In the meantime, though, let's see if we can't scare them away from the train first real quick. Everybody shake your fists at those bowlins and call them ugly. Ugly! Come on, you can do better than that. Shake your fists at those bowlins and call them ugly.
Ugly! Oh, yeah!
Okay, we got about 3 people on that. We're going to try everybody this time. I said ugly, oh yeah!
Oh, yeah!
Well, we might be ugly, but y'all just rode 2.5 miles out here just to see us, so feast with your eyes, ladies.
Oh, boys, nobody came out here to see the like of either one of you, so you get up here. It's a big idea stopping the train out here in the middle of nowhere.
Stop it, warn ya.
Oh, yeah? Warn you about what? Yankees! Yankees.
Yep,
No. Oh. Well, if you my passengers in my train, I'll go check on them Yankees.
that's right, fine idea, go do that.
Yeah, you know what?
Silver? Nothing at all? How about high five? Alright. You guys got any gold or silver? Any copper? Any money? You guys got any gold or silver? My name, boys, I don't like it.
Guys, now what I'm in. You know, you make less than by the minute. True, there's a different story. What's going on up here?
Ralphie and Ralphie Bold, the 2 notorious train robbers of Silver Dollar City. They are going to be out here robbing trains all day for little to no cents. Then come back and see us here on the Frisco Silver Dollar Ride. Now over here to your left-hand side, that's going to be Outlaw Run. This roller coaster will drop you over 165 feet at an 81-degree drop at over 65 miles an hour and take you upside down a grand total of 3 times. Outlaw Run, where the good guys always win. When I call out your car number, I want you all to holler as loud as you can, so everybody get ready. Alright y'all, let's have a little bit of fun here. Car 1, holler. Car 2, holler. Car 3, holler. Car 4, holler. Hey, that was a pretty good hip and hollering contest right there, y'all. If you were all a hollering, you're a winner. Congratulations. Now, in just a moment, ladies and gentlemen, we will be passing through the all-new Fire District, and I'll talk a little bit more about what you can expect to see on your left and right-hand side here momentarily. Yes, folks, the phone number still set the city ablaze, and the fire chief needs volunteer firefighters to help put out that blazing. That blazing! Fire in the hole! Everybody get ready. All right, here we go. Car 1, wave and say howdy. Car 2, wave and say howdy. Car 3, wave and say howdy. And car 4, wave and say hey, hey, hey. How does this sound? We ask you to look around and make sure that you got all your trash, all your relatives, and all your trashy relatives, because if you don't want them, well, neither do we. Now, as we pull into the depot here, I need y'all to please remain seated. The engineer's going to stop and apply the brakes, and we do have a small tendency to jerk or roll back a little bit. So please wait. Everybody get ready. All right, here we go. Car 1, wave and say howdy. Car 2, wave and say howdy. Car 3, wave and say howdy. And car 4, wave and say hey, hey, hey.